Hello and welcome to this beginner C programs tutorial series. Today we are writing a program to calculate the gross salary of an employee. The problem statement says, compute the gross salary of Mr. Harris, input his basic salary, his DA is 40% of his basic salary, and HRA is 20% of his basic salary. So from this statement, we know we are going to take the basic salary as input from the user, which we are going to declare as a double. And the DA is going to be the 40% of that basic salary, and 20% of the basic salary is for the HRA. So the gross is going to be the basic plus the DA plus the HRA. And I've already written a C file here, gross.c, and I have some boilerplate code inside there where I declare the main function. And then we are going to start to write this code for this program. I'm going to start by declaring three variables, which is the basic salary, So as you can see, this is the main function that I've just written down. I've declared four variables inside the main function, which is basic salary, the gross, and the DA and HRA. I'm prompting the user for the basic salary, which I'm going to store inside this variable basic, and I'm calculating the DA and the HRA. So the DA is 40% of the basic salary, and the HRA is 20% of this basic salary. So the reason why we are typing here for 40.0 is because of integer division truncates, and if it is truncate, like 40 divided by 100 will give us 0 instead of the actual value. So we are typecasting this, we are promoting these integers to floats. We are doing that explicitly, and we are calculating the gross salary as the basic plus the DA and HRA. So we are printing this output here. We printed basic, DA, and the HRA. So based on this, we can run this program. We can compile and run this program. And I'm going to enter 2000 as the basic. Okay, we got that. The basic as 2000. The DA, which is 40%, is 100. This is 20%, and then the total as this.
It's right there on my shoulder, telling me to go back to the life that I left, telling me I'm missing out and that this life is the best. Me and you ain't